Hey guys, so this is going to be an update on the apartment. So you guys know I bought an apartment here in Brazil, pre-construction, about, I think it was 2024, June or July. The completion date was estimated to be 2026, June or July, but it was actually completed a lot earlier. So it was completed like the end of November, where I received the paperwork for the occupancy. But I was traveling, I didn't have time to come here, so I'm actually closing on the property today, and today is February 4th. So I'm here to inspect the property with the builders, and they are an hour and a half late. There was some guy who I had to call them through WhatsApp, and somebody did come in to let me in, but he's just like a guy that does like some of the construction work that was nearby. But the actual person has supposedly got into an accident, but no one contacted me. So an hour and a half late. It's very frustrating. But I was able to do a quick walkthrough of the apartment, which I'll show you guys. I did see a couple issues, mostly with like some work that needs to be done in the ceiling, where there's like holes, but they tried to patch it up. But I'm not sure if that's coming from moisture somewhere or what, but it was easy. You can just poke a hole in it, and it would just come apart. So other than that, I didn't really see anything else. The apartment is nice. I was glad that it got completed 6 months or 8 months really like ahead of schedule, and I'm having it renovated inside. We're putting in all the cabinetry for the kitchen, bathroom, all that stuff, so that we can try to resell it, and that should hopefully be completed within the next 30 to 45 days. But the person was also supposed to come here to take measurements of everything, and the guy never showed up. I contacted the company. They apologized and said, oh, we can come out another day. But I drove already an hour from where I'm staying in Ingleses to here. So it's very frustrating, and I have things to do. But I will show you guys the property, the first floor, which is just like the kitchen, living room area. And then the second floor has the 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. And there's also a half bathroom downstairs. And then the third floor is the rooftop, which is to me, like it's the selling point. It's a beautiful views of the mountains. But yeah, I'll let you guys see that. And I'm using my phone because my camera broke. I had a GoPro, but it's not working anymore. So I'm gonna use everything on my iPhone. And here we have the first level. So you have like the door here, sliding door. Lets you out if you park your car right here, if you have one. Everything's already pre-set up for the air conditioning units. And this is where all the kitchen things will go here. Refrigerator, washing and dryer, sink, stove, cooking hood. And then this is the half bathroom. So yeah, the bathroom's pretty small. This living space is actually smaller than I pictured a little bit, but definitely functional. I think a lot of the stuff here was kind of promoted around the outdoor space, because you have like the little front yard, you have the rooftop. I would prefer to have a little bit more extension of the apartment, you know, to get more indoor space, because, you know, it does rain here a lot in Floripa. It does get cold, you know, so. But yeah, we can make this work if we have to move in here. It's definitely not a problem. You put the couch and the TV here, a little table here, and yeah, we should be good. Let's check out upstairs. All right, so let's check out the second floor here. So this is going to be the second bedroom. And I've made plans to put a built-in closet and like a little desk here. And then the bed will go here. And pretty nice view. You can see the mountains in the backdrop here. And we get a lot of like good natural sunlight, which is really good. And this is the full bath. So also later, like I'll do like a video once everything's put in and complete, we can see like how it turned out. And this is also, this here is the master bedroom. Larger window, opens up. Same thing with the view, a lot of natural light. And currently there's no electricity. The guys have to get the deed to the house. Once I get the deed, I can go to the electric company and they will set me up. That takes about like a month. And then we're gonna walk up to the rooftop, which to me was the biggest selling point because I love outdoor space to barbecue or to just, you know, hang out and relax and work. This is where a sink can go if you want to have a sink here. And then like over here is like where all of the AC units will go. So it's a very clean and finished look. And the guy told me that, so I was wondering about this pipe here. I thought it was just for drainage, but it's because inside of here there's a reserve water tank. There are a lot of places in Brazil have that. So it's, I forgot how many liters he said, but it's a decent amount. And if there's like any overflow, it would come through here. But yeah, the view's amazing. Like I love a mountain view. Only thing better than that is to have an ocean view. But it's about a 7-minute drive from here to like Campeche Beach. And it would be closer, but because of the mountains, you have to kind of like go around just to kind of get to like the main road. Otherwise, it would just be like a straight shot this way. And actually from here, you can see like there's a mall called Oka Mall. It's like right there as well. And then where they're doing construction right here, that's the rooftop 2 that they're building. They start that project maybe like 6 months or 8 months or so after they started rooftop 1, and it's all been sold out. So yeah, that's going to be the end of the tour. Like I said, once I get the all the furnishing and stuff put in, ready to sell, then I'll post that video as well. I am going a little bit high end with some of the things because I want to stand out from the competitors. There's a lot of things here that look very similar. So I have like a very particular style that I wanted. I went higher end on the finishes. I already kind of bought like the sink, the faucets, like shower, certain things. And I bought like a high-end brand like Deca, which is pretty well known here. It's all metal, there's no plastic. And I wanted something that has like a really high quality look. So when people come in and they see it, you know, they're like, wow, this guy did a great job on finishes. I got a refrigerator that's built in. So it's a very clean finish. You won't see like any appliances or anything like that in the kitchen. So yeah, it should look really nice. Hopefully the company does a really good job. But yeah, I'll post that and then I'll share their information and everything if everything goes well. But yeah, that'll be it. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys on the next one. Maybe like a month and a half, 2 months from now.